What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. This seems a little crooked. Let's fix that. How's that better? All right. Anyway, I do apologize that this video is going up late. I have the flu or something, as I said last week. I've been pretty sick the last week or two, and it's just kind of climaxed yesterday. We peaked. I was just very, very ill yesterday, so I do apologize. So yeah, first things first, today is Mask Monday. Even though it's Tuesday, we're still calling it Mask Monday. Yeah, no, my brain's a little askew because I'm not all together well, but I wanted to make sure I got this up and kind of stayed on track a little bit. All right, so first things first, yay, Mask Monday. If you are new to my channel, what's up? I'm Jen. Nice to meet you. Glad you could join me. And if you are a returning viewer, what's up? What's good? How you been? Glad you made it back. Sorry if I'm not at 100% energy-wise, but I'm doing the best I can, guys. Anyway, before we get started on the mask that we're trying today, let me just say, if you are not already subscribed, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and help a girl out. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post, because when things like this happen, you know, my posting days can get askew. So you want to make sure you're notified when I do actually post. I usually post 3 times a week, provided all is normal and well. And yeah, so that's it. Don't forget also, if you enjoyed this video, to give it a big thumbs up, because it does help me out tremendously. Also, don't forget, I have a giveaway and it's coming to a close tomorrow night at midnight. I am closing it off. So you can still enter up until midnight on Valentine's Day, which is tomorrow, Wednesday. Thursday, I will announce the winner on my Thursday's video. So I will link the giveaway video down below. So it's only a minute long. Go watch it. It tells you what to do, and it's a really nice big giveaway. So don't forget to hit that up. So now let's get started. So we're trying the Freeman Anti-Stress Dead Sea Minerals Clay Mask. I have not tried this one. It's supposed to instantly clear pores and balances for renewed skin. So it sounded interesting. I figured, you know, let's give it a try. So the directions, it says, unwind from the grind by treating skin to a much needed escape with this nutrient-rich mask. Dead sea minerals and sea salts help replenish and balance moisture while purging clogged pores. Lavender and bergamot help put skin in a bliss-like state and rinse away stress for smooth, radiant skin. Perfect for all skin types. Directions. Apply mask to face and neck, avoiding contact with eyes. Leave on 10 to 15 minutes or until dry. Rinse with warm water. Use twice a week or as often as needed. So as always, I did wash my face with my Dynamic Duo that I do every Monday, my Origins Checks and Balances, and then I follow it up with the e.l.f. Gentle Peeling Exfoliant Treatment. Love these two. So my face, oh, I also gave my face a little treat, just to make sure I got any crap in my skin. I almost out of this, but I used some of this Equate Beauty compared to Clean and Clear Sensitive Skin Astringent. So this is deep cleaning astringent with salicylic acid and acne medication for sensitive skin. So make sure I really get in there deep. This is like, I use this to as like a clarifying treatment, you know, to make sure you get all of that crap deep down in the pores. And I also went over that with a cotton ball with some witch hazel. So my skin is going to be treated today. I gave it quite the treatment. So let's get this baby on my face. As always, I will be using my e.l.f. Pore, you know, face tool, my mask tool. So I will list that below as well. Let's get started. so that's it. It's quite blue. I look like a Smurfette. So I'm going to rinse off this brush now, and I'm going to leave this on for 15 minutes, and I will be back with my first thoughts. I do have to say it is, it's not super thick and like, you know, just rough and thick. It's kind of nice and thin and easy to spread around. Maybe even a little too thick, I don't know. But, and it also smells nice. It's not super scented, but it's just a nice light scent. So I liked that. Anywho, I'll be back. Smooch-a-laroos. Mwah. Alright, I'm back. So my face is itching a little bit because it's so tight from this stuff drying. But it is ready to be rinsed. So I will be back in a moment with the first round of thoughts, if you will. Smoochies. Alright, so I'm back. And so far, so good. My pores do look a little smaller. My skin's feeling nice. So, one thumb up for round one. And I will go do some things that I need to do, get some errands done, and I will be back with my check-in and final thoughts. So, I'll be back. Smoochies. Okay guys, and I'm back. It's been a couple hours and my skin is still feeling really nice. Right now I'm sweating like crazy because I've had a fever on and off. So don't mind that. If you see me glistening, that's what it's from. But yeah, from what I can tell from through the sweatiness, it feels really nice and soft. I think it did a nice job. So the Freeman Anti-Stress Dead Sea Minerals Clay Mask is 2 thumbs up for me. I like having a variety of masks because you have different issues with your skin at different times. So, yeah, this was a good one. I like this. And you can't beat the price. I think it was like $5 for this whole tube. So I got it at Ulta. I will list everything below, as always. And yeah, please, once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Is there any more crap I could possibly pile onto this? Yeah, don't forget to follow me on social media as well. All of those are linked below, but as a good rule of thumb, if you search under Jersey Jenny 30, if you do hashtag Jersey Jenny 30 and do a search that way, my stuff will all come up. I'm probably only one hashtagging it that way. So, good luck, and yeah, tomorrow's, don't forget to check out that giveaway. Tomorrow at midnight, I'm shutting it down, and Thursday, I will reveal the winner. I am doing a random picker app, so I will film me randomly picking it. So, don't forget to tune in on Thursday to see if you are the big winner. That's all I have for today. I love you guys, and until the next one, smoochies. Bye.